Hey guys, welcome to another Cybertruck installation video by tsportline. Today we're going to be walking through our Cybertruck left side phone mount. We offer a MagSafe charging version and a non-charging version. And today we'll walk through the charging version as that one requires routing our power cable. Looking at what comes with these kits, we have our Cybertruck bracket that's going to hard mount to the Cybertruck dash. Our 15-watt MagSafe charger will also offer a non-charging version, a MagSafe adapter, and an OBD2 power cable. And looking at tools, all we're going to need is a 13mm socket, deep well will work best, and a ratchet. Let's get into it. Our bracket is going to be mounted like so, and to hard mount it to the dash, we'll need to remove this intermediate panel. To remove this intermediate panel, you're going to use your fingers and just find the gap between this kick pad, this forward dash pad, and the intermediate panel. From here, you're going to be able to put your other fingers on this front face so you can pop both sides of the pins out. Once you have both pins pulled out, you can rotate clockwise to pop the two remaining pins out. Popping off the panel reveals our 13mm bolt, and we'll use our ratchet to break it loose. Once loose, I like to finish and remove the bolt just with my hands. With the bolt removed, we can add our charging cable as it will be installed before the bracket. So we're going to take our cable and slide it between this upright trim panel and the two dash pads. You're going to want to leave a couple inches of cable so we can plug it into the MagSafe charger. This top piece can go right about to this apex, and this bottom piece can come down. It's kind of hidden, but there's a little metal bar that you're going to need to route the cable to the right or to the left, down, and around. It's hard to see, but you can feel it really easily. So once we have it in position, we're ready for our bracket. Moving on to our bracket, we're going to slide it into the same gap that we placed our power cable. And grabbing our bolt, we can thread it back in with our hands. With our bracket fastened, we can now add our MagSafe charger. So we'll slip on the yoke and pop on the charger. Plastic nut will tighten on the back. We can take our cable and plug it into the USB-C. With a pop. If you have a little bit of excess cable, you can kind of feed it down behind the bracket to give you a more low profile look. Grabbing the other end of the cable and moving into the driver's side footwell, we can find our OBD2 port that we're going to plug into. Note that there's a toggle switch on the OBD2 power cable. The I position will keep the charger always on. The O position will allow the charger to power off when the truck is locked and Sentry mode is off. If the truck is locked and Sentry mode is enabled, the charger will remain illuminated. We can then route our wiring up and between these panels to meet up top. With the wire routed about midway up, we can continue all the way to meet the other end that's exposed. You can grab this panel and pop it out to help finish the routing. From here, you can give it a little bit of a tug to pull it up behind the paneling. And this excess wire can be wrapped up and zip tied if you choose. We can tuck this excess wiring down behind the panel right here. And finish it off by reinstalling our intermediate panel. You can pull up this weather strip and slide the outer section in. It'll be 2 clicks. And then the intersection will click in. And now we have everything wrapped up. And just like that, our Cybertruck left side phone mount is installed. We can confirm it works by sticking a phone up to it and seeing that on the screen it's charging. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.